मुझे लगता है आप कोई भी फील्ड से हो और अगर आप ट्रोल किए जाओगे आपको बुरा तो लगेगा.
As I said, you only know you're getting trolled if you have enough time to go back and read the comments. I don't have so much time in life. I'm busy doing a lot of other things. So even if I'm speaking about something, I speak it and I move on. I can really appreciate Kapoor and Sons. I don't know if I have the life experiences to make it. Similarly, I can speak for Shakun that he might look at a Badri and appreciate it, but he will also say that यार ये मैं बना नहीं सकता, ये मेरी टाइप की फिल्म ही नहीं.
Hi, this is Fatima Sana Sheikh.
Hi, my name is Shashank Khaitan और आप देख रहे हैं और बताओ
स्तुति के साथ.
Hi guys, welcome to yet another episode of और बताओ. और अभी जिनसे पूछने वाले और बताओ क्या चल रहा है, क्या हो रहा है, आपको स्क्रीन पे नजर आ रहे हैं. शशांक खैतान है डायरेक्टर एंड फातिमा सना शेख है. अजीब दास्तान्स इज गोइंग टू बी स्ट्रीमिंग सून ऑन नेटफ्लिक्स. एंथोलॉजी है और उनमें से जो एक स्टोरी है उसमें ये है. तो डायरेक्टर राइटर ये हैं, एक्टिंग ये कर रहे हैं और बाकी ओवर टू देम. सो माय फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन ऑफ कोर्स, 10 दिन पहले मिलते ना तो things were opening up, there was hope, we thought सब मास धीरे-धीरे पीछे छोड़ देंगे, पर अब तो I have this horrible feeling that we're in this vicious cycle. How are you guys coping up with this?
मुझे तो कोविड हो गया था, तो I went through it, but now I've recovered. So it's quite real, it's very real, and this is what it is now. It's been over a year and a half. Numbers बढ़ रहे हैं. एक होप है कि वैक्सीन आ रहा है. So let's just try and be safe and let's just try and be sensitive about it and not be too frivolous. तो बस वही है. होप क्या करना है, you get used to it.
I read a very amazing saying which said that life is what happens when you're busy making other plans. So this is life here. So you got to accept it. I think the best thing you can do is don't try and overthink it. Don't try and overanalyze it. Be sensitive, as Fatima said. React to it organically. Don't be in a rush because that could cause further damage. At the same time, be positive. Continue doing things organically. If the need is, you need to step out and shoot. Take the precautions. Do that. If the need is, stay home. Stay home. So I think let's not compare ourselves to everyone around. Just take it from each case at a time, each house at a time, each person at a time, and you react to it the way you feel most organic. I think that's the best way to approach it.
We're now coming to the show. It's an anthology. कितना tricky होता है 4 कहानियों को ऐसे बांधे कि seamless flow लगे. मजा आया इसमें या it's tough?
The good advantage for us is that they are not interlinked. They are like four shorts, as you can call it, as an anthology. So in that sense, it was actually very surprising for us as well because हमें एक दूसरे की कहानियां नहीं पता थी.
अच्छा नहीं पता, you had no idea. Okay.
We only knew our stories. Only the creative team, that is Somen and his team and Karan, they were the ones who knew all the 4 stories. We just knew our own story. And but when we actually saw them, and Fatima unfortunately hasn't seen it yet. मैंने चारों कहानियां देखी हैं. It's amazing just that how 4 of them came together. All 4 are unique. All 4 are different from each other. Yet they leave you with such interesting emotions at the end of it. So I think our job was to individually execute each story. But a big shout out to the entire creative team of Netflix and Dharmatics who had the vision to kind of see these 4 stories and kind of then say that they'll create such an impact together.
अच्छा एक चीज जो for this particular story मुझे सबसे ज्यादा interesting लगी is the casting. Like Fatima, you and Jaideep. I was intrigued and I was glad that this was the first story that I got to watch. But how was it working with him?
It was amazing. It was surprising that he could see me in that character because people instinctively उनका ये होता है कि वो मुझे काफी sporty या
I was going to come to that.
intense character देते हैं. So वो trend रहा है. But there are very few makers who've come to me with a very different character. So it was interesting to see that he could see me in that light. This is more internal. It's not like building a body, learning a sport. Not learning archery for thugs. It's like Ludo was also very instinctive. So even that was interesting. But so ये ऐसे वाले roles ना मुझे लगता है कि और ज्यादा challenging होते हैं क्योंकि आपको अंदर जाना पड़ता है. और आपको uncomfortable space से बाहर निकलना पड़ता है. So here the character was really well written. It had so many layers, and Shashank really helped me to tap into those emotions, because I am not somebody who is very sexually confident in myself. So because Lipakshi is very comfortable, she knows how to use her sexuality.
Yeah.
She knows how
she's
to
owning it. She owns the frame.
She owns it, and that needs strength. So it was a really great journey, because personally also it liberated me in a way. So it's so amazing that through characters you also grow as a person.
शशांक, आपने देखे ये दो किरदार. I found the casting very interesting, and like she said, Fatima hasn't done a role like this. So why did you think of her?
Yeah, why?
You know,
Shashank, why?
Why Fatima? You know, for me, it was very important that the casting that I was kind of chasing, that those actors have not done this kind of work. You know, because the minute you see someone in a new role, you suddenly start accepting them as a character, and you're not looking at them as Fatima. You know, suddenly she becomes Lipakshi immediately with the first dialogue. Similarly, when I was kind of looking at Jaideep in the film is such a vulnerable character, but he is also such a powerful character.
Yeah.
So for me, his physicality was the power and his performance was the vulnerability. So I was kind of trying to get that combination. And then it was Rajkumar Mishra's character played by Arman, who needed that innocence. You know, so for me, this three balance was very nice, because you had not seen them do the kind of work they're going to be doing in the short, and for me that was really exciting.
So this interesting bit that you spoke about, which I found really fascinating in the story, because dono hi in their rights, in fact all three of them are strong characters. जैसे आपने बोला, पहले डायलॉग से ही लिपाक्षी क्या है वो हमें पता चल जाता है. You know, you think of her first time you see her as a bichari, and then she comes into her own, and yet both these characters have a vulnerability that you by the end of it your heart goes out to them, because you don't know how to console them. Fatima, when a character has so many layers, so many complexities, how do you approach it? Do you have a reference, or in your head, how did you approach Lipakshi? Like you said, she doesn't have a single hue. There are many shades to her.
I think I just try to be honest to the moment and to the character. That's all that I try to do. I don't overthink it. I don't. अब किससे रेफरेंस लोगे आप? मतलब आप क्या ही करोगे? आप अपनी जिंदगी में जो आपने एक्सपीरियंस किया है वही लेके उसको एम्पलीफाई करके उसको उस सिचुएशन में डाल के आप इमेजिन कर सकते हो कि ये किरदार क्या महसूस करेगा और कैसे रिएक्ट करेगा. यू कैन ओनली यूज योर इमेजिनेशन. यू कांट रियली take this from this person and that person, because I have not seen a person like Lipakshi. I don't know any Lipakshi. I have not been in that Barabanki area. I've never heard that dialect. So what I do is basically be in the moment. Honestly, that's all I do, and I try to do that every time.
Shashank and Fatima, I want to ask, आजकल life for creative people, for people from the industry, थोड़ी tough हो गई है. आपको you have to focus not just on your work or your story, but also how it will be received. Do you think all this talk about censorship and trolling on social media, does that scare you a little? Creative process में वो bother करता है आपको?
मुझे लगता है आप कोई भी फील्ड से हो और अगर आप ट्रोल किए जाओगे आपको बुरा तो लगे. तो इसका किसी इंडस्ट्री या फील्ड से लेना देना नहीं है. आजकल हर कोई ट्रोल हो रहा है. मीडियम है, आपको कुछ कहना है, ओपिनियन है, तो आप डाल देते हो. आई ट्राई टू डिसएसोसिएट माई सेल्फ फ्रॉम दैट. आई एम नॉट अ वेरी एक्टिव पर्सन. मैं अपना वर्कआउट डालती हूँ, अपना छोटी मोटी चीजें करती हूँ. इंस्टाग्राम में ही थोड़ी एक्टिव हूँ. जब मन होता है करती हूँ, नहीं होता नहीं करती. पहाड़ में चली जाती हूँ, वो कर लेती हूँ. सो मेरा कोई स्ट्रक्चर नहीं है लाइफ में. मैं बहुत ऐसे जिप्सी टाइप की हूँ, तो मैं इतना सीरियसली नहीं लेती हूँ ये सब चीजों को. मैं फिल्मों से एक्साइट होती हूँ, मैं अपने काम से एक्साइट होती हूँ. मुझे बहुत खुशी होती है सेट पे. आई लव. लोगों ने बहुत कोशिश की मेरे को वैन में बिठाने की, बट मैं रोज सेट में आके बैठती थी. सो आई लव द chaos of set. I love being in the moment. So for me, it's just that, taking each moment as it comes and not over analyzing it. Because ये सब चीजें आपको वहीं नहीं लेके जाएगी. ये आपके जो ऑलरेडी लाइफ में chaos है उसमें और ऐड करेगी. So ignore.
Shashank, art is supposed to make us uncomfortable, but यहाँ तो पंगा पड़ जाता है. How do you plan to deal with this?
I genuinely in life don't overthink it so much. As I said, you only know you're getting trolled if you have enough time to go back and read the comments. I don't have so much time in life. I'm busy doing a lot of other things. So even if I'm speaking about something, I speak it and I move on. I don't even know if
But
I'm
are
being trolled
now
or I'm
taboo
not being trolled.
subjects or taboo topics that you don't want to touch? Is that a general feeling now with all that's happening?
I mean, I have no such things for myself. I have not given myself any topic which is untouchable, or I won't do this or I won't do that. I instinctively react to a story, and if I feel the story needs to be said, I say it. I'm not kind of looking for the repercussions of it. And if I start overthinking everything, I won't be able to create anything. Also, I feel every filmmaker, especially, or a story to stories based on his experiences in life. So there are many stories which I watch, which I can appreciate for what it is, but I can't make them. Like, very famously, Shakun Batra and me are very good friends. Shakun made Kapoor and Sons. We are very good friends. We discuss cinema, we discuss films. I can really appreciate Kapoor and Sons. I don't know if I have the life experiences to make it. Similarly, I can speak for Shakun that he might look at a Badri and appreciate it, but he will also say that, yaar, ye main bana nahi sakta, ye meri type ki film hi nahi hai. So I think that's the great part about cinema and about the times we live in. There are so many talented filmmakers. They are choosing topics which are from extremely sensational to extremely mild, which have a political opinion to having no political opinion. And I feel stories should be viewed as stories. You do react to what you feel like. And there is, whether it's creatively accepted, what the political scenario is and stuff, that is ever changing in our world. So, I mean, don't really depend on that. You focus on your work and your process.
Super. I had a great time chatting with both of you. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Stuti. Please take care. Be safe.